Hello guys, we are discussing chapter 10 images formed by lenses. Today we are going to see some important definition related to the lens, right? So this is my lens, right? It could be any lens. Here we have made a convex lens, it could be a concave lens as well. So all of the definitions would be same for any kind of lens. So now here this is the center O and this is the PA, this is the principal focus F and this is the focal length, this is the focal plane. Now what are all these things? Let's understand. So first of all, optical center. Optical center is the geometric center of all lenses. So this is my lens. Exactly the center point of this lens is the optical center. The geometric center point is optical center. Then the optical axis. Optical axis is this axis which is a vertical line which is passing through the optical center, right? So this is the vertical line passing through the optical center O. So this is the optical axis. Now coming to the principal axis. What is the principal axis? This is a horizontal line, right? So it is a horizontal line drawn through the optical center. So through the optical center we are making a vertical line and the horizontal line. The vertical line is optical axis OA and the horizontal line is the principal axis PA, right? Then we have the principal focus. The point on the principal axis, it's always the point on the principal axis. Either it can be here, 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 here or here. Anywhere it can lie on the principal axis, right? So the point on the principal axis through which a group of rays parallel to the principal axis is refracted. So if I send some rays from this point, it is going to become parallel after coming from the lens. So all parallel rays going to merge to the principal focus, right? Or it is the rays which are passing through the principal focus will become parallel, right? So I hope you understood the concept. Now coming to the focal length. The focal length is the distance between the principal focus and the optical center. So from here up to here we have this distance which is called the focal length, right? Now coming to the focal plane. The plane perpendicular to the principal axis. Again it is a plane which is perpendicular to principal axis, right? And on which all focus point are going to lie. So this is a set of parallel rays. This is a set of parallel rays. So these parallel rays are going to merge at this principal focus. These parallel rays are going to merge over this point, right? So this point and this point, right, these are going to lie on a separate plane which is known as the focal plane, right? So all of the parallel rays are going to lie only on this plane which is the focal plane. So I hope you understood all of them. Thank you so much.